everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I have something new for you to unbox. This is something I got from Amazon's Great Indian Festival sale that just started actually on the 8th, so today, but for Prime subscribers it actually started yesterday. And this is actually a gift for my mother. She still doesn't know what this is, so I'm not going to spoil it right now, but we're going to see live what this is. So this is what it came, and since it's a slightly higher value item, what they've done is they had this code on the side, and I got WhatsApp messages, emails and everything telling me to check the number. If the number was the same, only then could I share the OTP with the delivery person. And I'll be honest though, this packaging is kind of like not what I expected. There's a tear over here, if you can see. So this packaging for an item like this, an electronic item, a mobile device, is really not ideal. I mean, it's a little bit disappointing. And I have ordered another item again from Amazon, so now I'm a bit scared, but let's see what's inside. So moment of truth. Right, and then there's the cardboard packaging, which is okay. Let's unwrap this. Okay, there we go. There's the tape. And I'll tell you about the pricing and everything, because this really was a good deal. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it. And she doesn't know what this is. This right here. It's the S6. It's a Samsung S6 Lite, and the great thing is this tab comes with a pen, and I got this for 19,999. Usually though, during sales you find it for around 28,000, the same version. I remember that I saw an ad for this way back in May. They had a summer sale back then, and at that time it was for 25,000. And I thought, okay, that's a good price, I should buy it. But then I figured, no, I'll wait for the Great Indian Festival sale, and I was right. So tape, let's examine that real close. Looks good, is not tampered in any way. If you look at the MRP, they say 30,999. Let me look at the manufacturing date. Okay, so September 2020. That's really good. Look at that. That's a really fresh piece. Month and year of manufacture, September 2023, and right now it's 8th of October 2023. So that's great. And it says here manufactured in Vietnam. You know what's cool is I had this LG phone I bought a couple years ago. Again in October. That one also was manufactured in Vietnam and not in China. Again, there's another tape over here. So that's good to see it's not, tampered with, brand new. Because, you read these horror stories of people who get like a bunch of bricks or a bunch of soap instead of their mobile or tab or laptop. So yeah, and it's pink. These are the specifications. This is the model number, in case you want to, because the sale is still live. So if you are looking to buy this, you could definitely go on there. This is a great price for it. I've never seen the price lower. Great. So let me just tear off and let me see. Okay, there's no other tape anywhere else. Looks good. So I'm gonna tear the tape here. Great. Okay, and then from here, and again, I read a lot of reviews of other people who had purchased this, and they were all like, this is good, much better than what you can find from Oppo, Realme, Honor, etc. And nowadays there's a lot of Nokia tabs, Motorola tabs, Lenovo, but the ratings reviews are just not as good. So yeah, that's why I decided to go for this one. Plus, like I said, it has a pen, which is great. So there we go. That's the cover. Let's take that. Let's take that out. It's really slim, and it's really, wow. I had an iPad, and I think it was about the same in terms of weight. So how do I take this off? Okay, I think there's, okay, some kind of tape. That's a bit of a mystery. How do I take this off? Oh, there's some kind of adhesive here. So you pull that off. Great, that's very nice. Definitely protects it from scratches. There we go. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Great screen. Nice. And this is about 10, a little bit more than 10 inches. The iPad that I had was around 9 inches. And this is what it looks like. It's pink. It's got this label here. Sound by AKG. There's a bit of a cover here for the camera as well. That's really smart. And in the box, so let's put this aside. So this is what you get. You get a charger. And this is a, it doesn't say, okay, it doesn't mention what exactly kind of charger this is. I mean, 15 watts, 20 watts. I can't quite see it. Let me know if you can see it. But anyway, that's nice. And of course, you get the USB cable as well. And then you got this SIM pin ejector. And here, most important of all, you get the pen or the pencil, whatever you want to call it. And it's also pink, just like the tab. This is really good. It's very light. It's very light. It's definitely not, like one of those heavy pens that are a pain to use. That's great. And let me see if there's anything else here. Nope. Okay. This is just, okay. So this is really important. I'm gonna put this back in here. And there's some documents here, like a warranty card. You'll need that. Of course, there's a 1-year warranty for the tablet, but there's also a 6-month warranty for this, the accessory, and of course this and this. I'll be honest, I'm really pleased that they've sent this as well, because what I read online was that this only comes with a USB cable. So that's really, really nice, because I know nowadays phones, tablets, they just don't really care about sending you the charger. Okay, all right then, let's power this up. This is the underside. They've got speakers here. They've got the USB right here. And at the top, you have the earphone input. And there's a mic. And I think this is also a speaker grill. Great color. Okay, so where's the power button? That one right there. Ah, there we go. The screen is great. I think Samsungs always have great screens. And there we go. That's what it looks like. So you click on start, and then you'll have to accept all the agreements and stuff. You should read, of course, each of these things, but for now I'm just gonna agree to all and go to agree. And then you need to set up. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something else that we're going to unbox. This is in fact a cover for this tablet, and this is what it looks like on the Amazon page. And it looked like a nice color, plus it's got this holder for the pen, so I figured it could be a good buy. I bought this for $479, and the MRP is $1,999, which, well, of course we know that's fake. But yeah, let's see what this is like. I just got this a few hours ago. I'm going to just cut it from here. And I got this for the tab, as you can see right here, but I've had major problems with the tab, and it's only been 2 days, not even full 48 hours. So this is the Samsung S6 Lite, and I would honestly say don't buy it. Buy any other tab, but don't fall for the sale price and think, yeah, I'll get this one, because it hangs and it heats up. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit of a darker red, if you look at the picture, it looks very bright. So it's not as bright, but that's usually the case. Pictures do tend to be a little bit brighter. So here it is. Here is the pen, so you can put in your pen here. It's pretty snug, that's good. And it stays here, and so you can pull it out like that. Let's see, this is the front. It's good. And then you've got this, you put your tab in here. So I'll just put it in here and show you. You've got to be careful about all the ports. So there you go, you put it over here. This is plastic, but it's not, well, I mean, it's good, but it's not super heavy duty. It's plastic, and then there's some kind of soft type of fabric. Looks like leather. Of course, it's not real leather, but you know, all the ports are accessible. It's good enough, but it's not super heavy duty. And this one is auto lock, so you put this on and it locks. But if you open it up, the tab opens up. So that's great, because you won't have to keep pressing, you know, these keys. Because what usually happens in a year or two is these kinds of keys, they get really pushed down, depressed, and then they don't work anymore. And so your pen is pretty safe as well. You can just put that in here. You do have to kind of wrestle with it. You can't just, you know, plug it in right that. And if you try to do it this way, that would really damage this, so it's not recommended. So you put it in here. Now, like I said, I'm not really happy with this tab, so I do have a call, a visit scheduled with the technician. So let's see what happens tomorrow. But overall, I would say there's a lot of heating issues. When you charge, this area gets heated up a lot. So this area around the camera, I don't know why. Now, in my experience, that only happens with really old devices. And this one was manufactured in September 2023, and it's October now. So I really don't understand how that can happen. And a lot of apps, they just hang, they give up, and they just suddenly stop, and any kind of progress. For example, if you're using an app, if you're writing something, or you're making a picture or something like that, you're drawing, it just quits, and all your progress is just, you know, suddenly gone. So that's really weird. I know there's a lot of hype you know, around this tab because it's a Samsung and because the sale price is pretty attractive. But I will say, I will warn you, don't buy this tab. Buy any other tab, but just not this one, because you will be disappointed. And again, I'll definitely leave a comment down below and update you on what happens tomorrow with the technician. They said that they're gonna have a look and they'll let me know if they're gonna replace this unit or if this will go in for a return and refund. So leave a comment down below. Have you used a tab, and if so, which one would you recommend, so all of us can learn something. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.